Hi everyone, Amy Love here, and I'm coming on today to decorate these little pockets that I created. And I made these little pocket clips with a tag inside following a tutorial from an English gentleman. And I will put the link to his tutorial below because it was just so easy to follow, and I love these. These are so cute. And the only thing that I really did different was I sewed mine instead of glued it. But aren't these so cute? And so they clip right onto a page. I love them. So I went ahead and I put them all together, but then I thought we could alter them together. So that's what we're going to do. I've got a bunch of my Angel Dream Craft snippets out and ready to go, and some of her charms. And then I've got a couple of these wax seals that I got at one of Rosie's sales. So I've got out a bunch of bits. I mean, you can't do much to the tag because that is a nice snug fit in there, but you can do some stuff to the outside, and it's just cute. So I'm actually making these as part of a journal embellishment kit that I'm putting together. So you'll find the link to my Etsy store below. That's where I will upload that when I get all of the things finished. But these pocket clips will be one of the things in that kit. So I want to kind of just collage on the front, but first I do want to put a lace pull on the top, and I'm just going to use a piece of this really pretty pink lace that I have. I think that will be really cute. We're having a nice, beautiful rain. I don't know if you can hear the rain. I have my window open, but it's just beautiful. I love a good rainstorm. And we rarely get thunderstorms here in Maine. And I kind of miss them a little bit, being from Georgia. But we've had some beautiful thunder happening, and it's just so relaxing. So it's nice that I get some time to craft while that's happening. Very thankful. So I do like that, but I can't really put anything else on the bottom, which it's great because then you can write on it or do whatever you want to do. But I do have room where I can put something on the top, and I think I might cut that and make it just a little bit shorter. Oops. There we go. Super cute. All right, now let me see what bits I have out here. Oh, I do have this pretty lace that might be really cute, all bunched up on the side. Yes, please. Don't you love that? And there's, of course, a link below to Angel Dream Crafts. And so I'm just going to put glue, and then I am going to pinch this up in the hot glue. Which, don't do as I do and wear some little finger protectors. Don't burn yourself. But I just love that. It's cute and easy, and I just love all the dimension on that. So let's see, what do I want to put on there? I have these beautiful wax seals from Rosie, which I think is just so pretty, just like that, right? Let me see. I am really loving this trim from Angel Dream Crafts. These little bits here, I'm telling you, I am just cutting up and using them as leaves, and they're just so pretty. So let's snip that out of there. How pretty that is. It's so cute. Kind of like that. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more glue here at the bottom. Glue that down a little bit. Yeah. Maybe even some more glue right here. Yeah, I like it. That's lovely. Okay. I'm pretty sure I want to go with that. Is just, I love these wax seals. But do I want more leaves than that? I don't know. I kind of like that just like that. So I'm going to do it. Put the leaf down. And then add the pretty wax seal. I wish I had more of these. So cute. Now on his tutorial, he did mention that he would be hanging a charm from the top, and I didn't watch it all the way to the end to see if he did that, but I love that idea. So I'm going to do the same, and I think what I want to hang off of there is one of these beautiful dangle heart charms from Angel Dream Crafts. So let me get out one of my little jump rings here. I'm going to use a big one just to make it easier on myself, because I don't even have my cheaters up here and I can't see to get a small one. I'm just not going to be able to do it. So we're going to go with the big one. Oh, how cute. How cute is that? So there's one done. Oh, I love that. And just clipped onto a page. So sweet. These are so sweet. Okay, so let's do another one. Let me see what this tag looks like. Oh, it's so cute. Let me go ahead and put the tie on so then I know how much room I have to work with. Let's see. I don't know if you can hear my dog whining downstairs. I think the cat is annoying him. Does anybody else have that happen at their house? The cat seems to get my dog all kinds of wound up. But don't misunderstand. My cat is the boss of my dog, even though my dog is a long-haired German Shepherd who weighs 80 pounds. And Jake, I think, what does he weigh, 14 pounds now? He's lost 5 pounds. He was just a really big kitty. No, what is he, 10 pounds now? I don't remember. But he's on a weight loss journey. But he's the boss of the dog, for sure. For sure. Okay. Cute. All right, let me cut that off. I don't like it too long. There we go. Save the snippets. But I'm thinking I can put a little something right there. Maybe a little piece of this pink bridal trim from Angel Dream Crafts that I love, love, love. Do a little snippety snip on this guy. I think I'm going to get one of these flowers with a leaf. So cute. So I think that will be just cute right there. I'm sorry that you have to see everything upside down. I see some people with these great setups where you're not looking at their stuff upside down, and every time I try to do that, it's a fail. So maybe I'll figure it out someday. Yes, that is cute. It's cute. All right, so now let's decorate up the bottom. I think I want to use pink, but which pink do I want to use? I love this trim from Angel Dream Crafts. It's so stinking cute. But I almost think I want that coming out this way. All right, and I'm just going to do the same thing and try not to burn myself. But honestly, when you stick your hands in the hot glue, that's what happens. So cute. I just love the squinched up laces. And so now I'm just going to add some glue here and just get these down too. There we go. It's so cute like that. I love, love it. All right, now what? What do we want to do? Here, I do have one more wax seal, but I only have one. I do have these snippety snip laces from Angel Dream Crafts. So let me see what I have left on this end. I have one flower. Okay, a flower there. I have the pretty leaves. Cut another one of these off. Let's see. Honestly, I'm just going to use these on every project until I'm out of them because I love them so much. Okay, what else can I do here? Maybe some pink bridal trim. Let's see. Since I have some on the tag. I do have this in white also, which I think would be cute. I also have some ribbon roses. I also have some of our other snippety snip with some other great flowers on there. I kind of like the pearl, the flower with the pearl. I think I'm going to get a smaller one out. Yes, and then maybe one of those. Is that cute? Well, I feel like it needs another leaf. I might be getting carried away. But surprise, surprise. I tend to do that. Okay. I think I want another leaf coming out right there. I don't know. That's not really 3, and so I don't know if I put on 3, that's too many. It is 3 flowers though. Maybe I just need to put, yes, maybe it just at different spots. Okay, we're gonna go for it. Boy, I need to put those finger protectors on. Really. And I have them. They're right here. It's just ridiculous. All right. These guys keep you from burning your fingers if you remember to use them. But I don't. Don't remember to use them. All right, do I want a ribbon rose or one of these little, I don't think so. Not that. Let me take this green off of there and see if I want that. I kind of like the softness of this pretty pink ribbon rose, but I also kind of like that. Should have got out all the other Angel Dream Craft ribbon roses. I think I'm out of bows, because I would love to put some bows on this project, but y'all, I think I've used all the bows. Sad face. Need to get more bows. How about this pretty color? I like that. Let's do that. You know, Kim has such a great selection of little ribbon roses. Love. Look at how cute these are. I'm already at 14 minutes, y'all. I am so sorry. So I am just going to spend the rest of the evening decorating more of these. And here are the ones that I created. And I did put this one together before I got on as like a sample. Aren't these cute? So make sure you go over to Angel Dream Crafts and get some goodies to play with, and follow a link to the gentleman's tutorial because they are so fun to make and it's a very easy to follow tutorial. And don't forget to leave me a comment and a thumbs up, and you will also find a link to all the other designers on the team. They're amazing. Make sure you go and check them out, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye everybody.